What's going on YouTube? David here, back with another video, and today I bought this 2012 Dodge Challenger RT with super low mileage, and I'm gonna see what I can flip it for. As you guys can see, the car does need some paint work. It's all peeling here, all on this left quarter. And if we take a look at this front bumper, it's also peeling. Some scratches on the front bumper. Now as we come to the trunk, we could see the rear bumper also needs some body work, some painting. It is peeling. Whole new paint job on the rear bumper. And if you could see this quarter panel, especially with the bumper, there is some damage that needs to be fixed. So now that we assess the damage, let's take a look inside. Inside's pretty clean. It's low mileage, so there is a little wear on the seat, as any kind of car would have. Here's a startup. So after starting, we can see the car does have 54,000 mileage original. No lights on the dash at all. That's a good start. But there is some things that is wrong with the interior that we do need to fix. For starters, we take a look at here. The clips are not holding in the air vent. That's something we will fix. Then if we take a look at the Navi screen, none of the buttons work. So we will replace the Navi screen with Apple CarPlay, or maybe with an OEM radio again. We'll see. I'm leaning towards the CarPlay because you can add a backup camera and it's more functional. Now let's get into how much I paid for the car. I paid $9,000 for this car. Clean title, but there is things that need to be done on the car. And you might be wondering, why would I buy this 2012 RT for $9,000? Well, the main reason is because it's super mileage and it's not that much work that needs to be done to fix it up and make a good flip on it. The market value for these cars is around from 17 to 20,000 with this kind of mileage. This car was a bargain for the price I paid. Now let's go for a first drive. Let's see how it drives. So we're back from our drive. Everything sounds good on the car. There's just a minor cosmetic defects inside here like this. We'll get this fixed and we'll order a new screen. Now let's check the OBD2 for any check engine or any kind of codes. So we have our OBD2 plugged in. Let's take a look. No codes, but 2 of the monitors are not set, so we would need to drive a little bit more so the car can pass state inspection. As you guys saw, there was no codes on the scanner, so the car just needs to drive a little bit more so it can pass inspection. So the car is mechanically sound. That's the great part. Now we just need to worry about the exterior and the interior, all cosmetic. So as far as I could see, the $9,000 I paid for this car is pretty worth it for now. We need to get the body work done, the Apple CarPlay or the OEM screen, and we need to find a way to secure the vent. Other than that, this looks like a pretty good project to me. Now we need to start finding a body guy, finding all the parts that I need, and seeing how much everything would cost, and to see if I could get close to that value of the car. If you guys want to see whether I can make money on this flip, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.